Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch on your phone. First, you need to choose the right drawing application. There are many excellent options available, like Procreate Pocket for iOS or Autodesk Sketchbook for both Android and iOS. Take some time to explore different apps and find one that feels intuitive and offers the tools you need to begin your creative journey. Once your app is open, the next step is to set up your digital canvas. You'll want to create a new file and choose dimensions that suit your project, perhaps a square or a standard aspect ratio. A good starting resolution is often around 300 dpi for clarity. Select a comfortable background color, usually a light shade, to begin your artwork. Now for the fun part, sketching. Begin with a light hand, using a simple pencil or basic brush tool to lay down your initial ideas. Layers are your best friend. Use them to keep your lines, colors, and details separate, allowing for easy adjustments. Don't be afraid to experiment with different brush types to discover unique textures and effects for your artwork. After laying down your initial sketch, it's time to refine your masterpiece. Zoom in to add intricate details and use the eraser tool to clean up any stray lines, making your drawing crisp. Consider adding color and shading to give your sketch depth and dimension. Finally, save your finished artwork in a high-quality format and share your creation with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.